Hi students, today we're going to talk about something else called if statements, which is similar a little bit to while, the while loop statement, because it has the same component, which means it needs the if keyword, it needs a condition exactly like the while, and this condition will return true or false. It needs a colon. Again, we don't have to forget the colon, and it needs a clause. We have to do something after the if condition. So here, let's say I am creating a variable called name, and I'm asking the user to add the information. If this name doesn't equal to Alice, it's gonna end my program, but if yes, it will say hi, print Alice. So it's very simple. So how to do that? All we have to do is I'm gonna go to Python and create a file. And I'm gonna type file, new file, and here I'm gonna say file save as under my desktop, let's say, and I'm gonna say if statement 2, for example, and click on save. And I'm gonna start now to see how I'm gonna do it. So if I need to let the user choose the name, so I'm gonna type name, this is a variable, equal, and I'm gonna say input, and I'm gonna leave it to the user. What is your name? And double quotation and brackets. Next, I'm gonna put the if condition. So if, this is the keyword, the condition, if I'm gonna say that if name is the same as Alice, in this case I'm gonna put colon, and you're gonna see as soon as I put colon, the Python will shift the cursor. I have to sign something, so I'm gonna say print hi Alice. If not, end the program. So it's so simple. If I'm gonna run it, this is the result. What is your name? So if I type Messiha, which is not Alice, it's gonna end my program. But if I type Alice, if I run it again, and I type here Alice, it's gonna give me the answer, hi Alice. And after that, it's gonna end the program. So this is how it works with the if statement. Next, I'm gonna go to another flowchart and see this flowchart. It is saying what? I see here that it put a condition. If the name is Alice, we're gonna type print hi Alice, and I'm gonna end my program. But if it's not gonna end my program. I'm gonna say print hello stranger. So if I go to my program again, I'm gonna say I need to do modification here. If the name equal to Alice, it's gonna say hi Alice. But if it's not, I don't want to end the program. I need to say hello stranger. So here I can use something called else. And this else, it's the same thing. There is no condition, because anything else, okay? And only I need to type the colon. So Python will shift it right away, and I'm gonna say print, open bracket, hi or hello stranger. Hello stranger, and double quotation quote. So now if I save that and I run it, we will see the difference. So here, what is your name? So I'm gonna try, if I type Alice, it's gonna tell me hi Alice. But now if I'm gonna type Messiha, before it ended, when I type Messiha, it ended my program. Now there is something else. It's gonna say hello stranger and end the program. And for sure, if I type Alice, it's gonna say hi Alice and end the program. So here, if I type Alice, hi Alice, end the program. Perfect. So now we will go to another example. And this example, it has something little bit different. It has what? two conditions, not only one condition. So it's saying if name equal to Alice, say hi print Alice and go and end my program. But if it's false, check age. So there is something called age here that I have to create it. And if the age is less than 12, so we're gonna say what? You are not Alice kiddo, since the age is less than 12. Now, how to create something like that with two conditions? So I'm gonna go back to the program and see what modification I can do. Here, name equal, what is your name? Excellent. I need to assign age. Now the age here, I'm gonna get it from the user as an input. And I'm gonna type, what is your age? Now I have to be careful here that this age, when the user will enter, it gonna be as a string. I need to force it to be a number, so integer. So I'm gonna say age equal, I'm gonna take the age that the user gave it to me, and I'm gonna force it to be integer. So int bracket. If you remember how to force the age that I got it from the user, anything the user type with the keyboard is gonna be string. So I am transferring the string to integer and return it back to age. So now age is gonna be as an integer. Now I have if name equal Alice, hi print Alice. If not, or I need, it's not if not, I need to add another condition, which is age less than 12. So instead of else, I'm gonna say what? I'm gonna take the mix between else and if. So it's gonna be if L. And here I have to, sorry, I did elif. It's elif, not if L. Elif, I'm gonna ask the other condition, which is if the age is less than 12. If the age is less than 12. So here we used elif. It's mixed between else and if. So if the age is less than 12, so here I'm gonna say you are not Alice. This is number one. You are not Alice. And after that, I'm gonna say kiddo with this way. And close the bracket. Now, someone will tell me if age is more than 12, what's gonna happen? It's gonna end the program. So let's run it and see how it will work. So what is your name? I'm gonna try first to say Alice. So it's gonna say Alice. So it's gonna print what is your age? I'm gonna say, let's say 15. It's gonna say hi Alice and gone. Now, if I run it again, and I'm not gonna say Alice, I'm gonna say Messiha. And when it's gonna ask me about the age, I'm gonna say something less than 12, 10. I hope it's gonna say, hello stranger, you are not Alice kiddo. Let's say, so hello stranger, you are not Alice kiddo. Now I'm gonna run a third option, which is, what is your name? I'm gonna type Messiha. But this time, when it's gonna ask me about the age, I'm gonna put 15. So here it's gonna end the program without the message hello stranger, because I'm not less than 12. So here we saw two things. After the if, we can use else, and now we can use elif if I have another condition. Let's go to another example. Again, there is two conditions, but if it's not less than 12, it's gonna tell me you are neither Alice nor a little kid. So how to do this one? So if I go to the program, I have to think, well, what I'm doing. So I need a name and I need an age. And this is what I did. I transferred the age to integer. Now I have the first condition. If name equal to Alice, print hi Alice. Perfect. If the age is less than 12, so I said if age is less than 12, print you are not Alice kiddo. So I'm gonna remove there, for example, and I'm gonna say only you are not Alice kiddo. Now, if it's false, that means what? That means if the if it's not working, so I need to add here else. Else without any condition, anything else. So My name is not Elise. I am not less than 12. What's gonna happen? It will print, open bracket, double quotation, you are neither Elise nor a little kid. So let's run it and see all the options. So if what is your name, I'm gonna type Elise, it's gonna return what is your age. I'm gonna say any age, 40. It's not gonna take care about the age, it's gonna right away say hi Elise. If I run it again, and after that it asks me what is your name, I'm gonna type something else than Elise Messiha. It's gonna ask me for the age, I'm gonna put something like 11. Right away it's gonna tell me you are not Elise Kiddo, which is it passed through the LF. So it came here and after that it ended. Now I'm gonna write the last options. When it's gonna ask me for my name, it's not Elise. When it's gonna ask me about the age, it's more than 12, so 14. What it will go? So if I'm not Elise, if my age is not less than 12, it's gonna tell me you are neither Elise nor a little kid. Here we go, you are neither Elise nor a little kid. So here, this example, it's the best one because we have the if statement, we have the elif, another condition, and we have the else without any condition for anything the user will type different than my first condition and my second condition. I hope you understood the if statement, the elif, and the else. Thank you for listening.